Welcome to Shufetti Sudz. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to make rose water. Here I have fresh red roses. I am removing the petals so that I can rinse them and boil them. I will be storing my rose water in a 32-ounce mason jar. So I have added more than 32 ounces of distilled water to the pot. Did you know roses contain high amounts of vitamin C, which is widely recognized as a very powerful antioxidant that can help protect skin cells from damage? Boil the rose petals until they become white and translucent. Afterwards, allow them to cool. Sift out the rose petals and pour the rose water into the jar. Rose water makes a fantastic ingredient for skincare products. Rose water has antibacterial and antifungal benefits. Thanks for watching.